Hi, what's your first name?
My name is Tabitha.
Now, we just met again. When you bought your sauna about 9 years ago?
Yeah, about 8 or 9 years ago.
Did you buy it from me or someone else, one of my people?
You know what? I just went online and bought it.
Wow. What caused you to buy the Relax Sauna instead of another sauna?
I was given a diagnosis of lupus about 9 years ago.
Yes.
My health was deteriorating. It probably was deteriorating 5 years prior
Yes.
to getting diagnosed with lupus. And I knew that I didn't want to go the traditional pharmaceutical product ways.
Bravo.
I wanted to do it naturally. So I went and I bought the sauna. I had problems sweating. And I knew that in order for me to get better, I needed to release all the harsh chemicals out of my body and all the toxins. So I decided to do it this route. I did it consistently every day, sometimes 2 times a day for about a year. And I was able to sweat again. I had more energy. I was feeling good. And also another caveat to that is I have Hashimoto's, which is a thyroid disease, and I feel cold constantly. And so this was an extra bonus to feel warm and heat up, especially being in Wisconsin. It's cold during the winter months, so that was a caveat to this sauna. So I am 110% believer in this product.
And you look radiant right now.
Thank you.
I mean, you feel pretty. You look like you're...
Absolutely. I do. I have some struggles.
Yeah.
Yeah, some days I do. If I overwork myself, yes, I will. I mean,
And-
lupus has not gone away, but
Right.
I have my quality of life back.
And you've been using the Relax Sauna all these years?
Yes,
And you still love the Relax Sauna?
absolutely. 110%.
Well-
You came up to me to say hi, but I told you about my testimony.
Yeah. Well, I appreciate that. It's relaxsaunas.com, Relax Saunas with an S. And it's always nice to meet someone who loves the Relax Sauna. I've been using it for 21 years, and I introduced it to the Western world, pretty
Great.
much.
Keep on doing what you're doing.
Thank you so much.
welcome.
I'm so happy you love the Relax Sauna.
Thank you.
And we'll talk more.
Thank you.
Okay.